YouTube, what's going on? Kyle back from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a What's in the Box on Jandy In-Floor's complete valve. Stay tuned, we're going to dive right in. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we are going to be doing a What's in the Box for you guys on Caretaker / Jandy In-Floor systems. So for those of you guys that don't know, Caretaker has actually changed their name now to Jandy In-Floor Systems. So it is a part of the Jandy line now, which is can't be bought or sold online. They are, the quit the internet brand for you guys. So they have turned some of their in-floor products back to Jandy now. So when you're dealing with full completes, basically things that require a construction perspective, they have turned them into a trade grade item. So again, if you guys don't know what trade grade is, make sure you guys check out the links in our description. We've got a blog and a video that kind of walks you guys through what trade grade means to the industry and what it means to the consumer. So make sure that you guys check those out if you guys got questions on that. But today we just kind of wanted to show you guys their new packaging on these, as well as kind of dive in and show you guys what comes included in the box on their 5-port 2-inch complete. So the part numbers for these are actually 5-9-2200, so 2200 for you guys. They do also have a 5-9-2000, which is the more common one. You're dealing with the 1.5-inch lines instead of the 2-inch lines like this one is. But this was the first one that we actually received from them in their new packaging. So we kind of wanted to show you guys and display that they have now transitioned these officially into their Jandy in-floor cleaning system. So it was recent to 2021 that they made the switch. It was actually earlier this summer. They actually took off a lot of other products that you guys were able to purchase online. The general top housings for these, where it actually will already have the rebuild kit built in, those are now a trade grade item. The full completes that require full plumbing, which will come with everything. I'll show you guys everything that it does come with. Those are all trade grade now. So if you guys happen to visit our website and you guys are searching these part numbers and you land on the products and you guys see this big old red tag that tells us that you got to inquire with us about this, these are actually only going to be available for our retail customers here in town to be actually come by and pick them up. Because they will not come with any types of warranties or any backing by Jandy or Caretaker if you purchase these online. So just be very wary when you guys are buying these things online that they are not meant to be sold online. So if you do purchase them, just keep in mind that if anything's wrong with it or if anything's breaks, outside of your 30-day return policy, whatever it may be, you guys are kind of SOL and you will need to purchase a new unit. So let's just dive in and just kind of show you guys what to expect if you guys do go to a retail environment and purchase this complete. So like I said, this is the 2-inch model. So if you guys want to know the differences between the 1.5-inch and the 2-inch models, again, check out the links in the description. We've got another video as well as blogs that kind of show you guys what to look for, particularly on your top housing, to distinguish what that may be. Typically, the 2-inch valves are going to have this black style union that sits on top, whereas if you're dealing with an 1.5-inch valve, most of the time this is actually going to be a white unit on top. So again, that white union assembly up top tends to be the most common one. But for those of you out there that did get the 2-inch system, this is going to be the replacement for you guys. So again, questions on that, check out the link in the description. So first thing, obviously you have your complete top housing here, and then you've got a nice little box with some extra goodies. So I want to keep calling them Caretaker, but Jandy In-Floor actually includes some serial numbers for you guys. So you guys can stick one of these. If you got automation, you can stick one of these in there. You can stick one on your folder inside that you keep all of your guys' serial numbers for, whatever it may be. The unit itself actually already has one out on the outside, so they do give you a couple extras, so then that way you guys actually have full serial numbers for the unit. So just go ahead and set those off. Before we dive into the box, I'll just kind of show you guys what to expect in the top housing section. So again, this is a complete unit, so this comes with absolutely everything that you need from the ground up. Aside from your traditional plumbing that you need to do already, this will have everything else included for you guys. So they give you an additional union O-ring, which was actually going to go into the other half of the union that's included in this box. the top part already has a union installed. They give you a new screen. Remember, again, if you guys are familiar with these systems, the screen always gets installed up. They ship it down strictly for the purpose that it will not break or bend, you know, just dent in for you guys. So when you guys are having this up and getting ready to be operational, these face up. So you need to turn them around, they'll snap down in, and they fit in there perfectly for you guys. It's important that you guys do that, otherwise you guys run into issues. So this will actually already have the pressure gauge installed. So again, if you guys are familiar with the Caretaker systems, you guys can purchase the housing itself. You guys can purchase pretty much every part of this separately. But for the complete unit, they already stick the pressure gauge on there for you. And then of course they throw in your 5 small O-rings, which will go across every single one of the ports on the bottom. So they actually have pre-molded out spots here that you'll put every single O-ring on the bottom when you guys are ready to actually install this top housing. Your first steps when you're installing these, especially since it's a complete unit, is obviously making sure that you guys are installing the plumbing base first, because that's what's going to hold everything together. So let's dive into this accessory box and kind of show you guys what that looks like. See if they give me the large O-ring in here. All right, perfect. So before we jump into that, they do give you the large O-ring down here in the bag. That's actually going to sit around the bottom edge of this as it sits down on the plumbing plate. That's just going to make sure that everything seals good between these two different parts. Here is your plumbing plate along with the actual band clamp already included. So they do not have a knob similar to like Paramount, so everything on theirs is actually a nut, so you guys will require some tools. They don't give you the tools in here, so again, this is meant for a new construction phase, so your contractor should be able to get this off for you guys. That way they can plug everything in. I do not suggest plumbing this in with the band clamp on, so make sure you guys take this off, set it off to the side. It is a last piece type of thing that you want to do. So here's the plumbing plate as well as your band clamp. They throw in a new pressure relief valve. So if you guys have questions on these, make sure you guys are reading the installation manual. This is important for the system to make sure that if back pressure occurs at all, this will actually open up and release that pressure. So then that way you guys do not take the risk of launching this top housing 50 feet in the air or into your neighbor's house or on their roof or causing damage to everybody else. So make sure that you guys use this pressure relief valve when you're dealing with these. It's a safety protocol all the way around for both you and your neighbors. So, and then of course they're going to give you the other parts of your unions that you need in order to complete the entire elbow that Caretaker is notorious for. So they give you the half of the union that's actually going to come down onto the unit, as well as the other union that will actually attach to the piping so that you guys can remove that entire elbow so you don't have to do replumbing every time you guys want to replace this top housing. So that's pretty much everything that they're going to give you in the full complete. It's all crucial to the actual functionality of the cleaning system. So if you're a DIY and you went to your retail store and you're doing this yourself, you're going to cut out your old one, you're going to cut in a new one, whatever it may be, you're doing a BYOP, whatever it may be, you guys do want to make sure you guys follow this instruction manual. We plan on trying to have another video for you guys on showing you guys how to install these out in the field. Currently right now, it's October of 2021, we don't have that, but make sure you guys check out and make sure to subscribe because we'll have those videos coming your guys' way. So overall, I just wanted to show you guys what comes included and kind of show you guys the new packaging provided by Jandy in-floor systems now. So no longer Caretaker unless you're dealing with strictly replacement parts. Anything new now that is required at new construction phases is now trade grade. Again, check out the links if you guys want to know more information about that. But I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys smack that like button. Be sure to subscribe. Like I said, we got a ton more videos coming your way. Till then, Kyle from ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.